I'm honored to present my thesis project, and my process is divided into 5 parts: introduction, urban design, architecture design, structure design, and technology design. And I will present it starting from introduction chapter. My project area is located in chapter 6, Central European country surrounded by Germany, Poland, Australia, and Slovakia. Also, the Liquid region is located in north of chapter coverage. This region is composed of 40 streets, and the Liquid is the capital city. The red area is the project area in Liquid, which is so close to the city center. And this image shows the current situation of project area. The EC company had planned more than 4 years ago. So the basic excavation work has already begun. But the problem is the EC company didn't get the following necessary permits to construct. So this project has been stopped. But we still can see a large loss left after the June. Also, the basic damage measurement has already been done. That area is the far part. From bottom to top, it takes a meter. And according to these sections of road, we understand that this area is complex. Also, Liquid is a charming place according to the rich core resources, including North Indian culture, historical monuments, nature landscape, sports activities. Also, Liquid organizes a lot of international winter sports competition. Also, there are a lot of interesting points around the city in Liquid. So I will provide the definition of the project is to define the given area and new function and the result. The urban design chapter. The first issue is morphology of the city, including the city extension and city evolution. According to this imagine, we can understand the process of Liquid extending from 15th century to 20th century. About the city evolution, I will choose 4 periods to compare the morphology between architecture, historic center, and the design center. Then we can understand the process of the Liquid evolution. The study area choosing. After discussing with the professors, and I will focus on 3 interesting areas for global urban design. The design site, abundant industrial area, and the pleasing novel mountains as a nature landscape. The analysis of study area. First issue transportation. There are 3 traffic curves along the design site. The railway station, bus station, and the bus tram terminal station, recorded as NHD station in Liquid. The traffic system is composed of main road and tunnel system, railway line system, and tram line system. The public square is composed of public space is composed of public square and public green space. And the land use distribution is composed of residential area, mixed use, public buildings, religions, sports facilities, and existing industry area and abundant industry area. This is the overview of the land use distribution. Also, the landscape analysis is composed of green areas such as the forest and the water system covering all the city. And also, Liquid provides a lot of interesting tourist points around the city. After analysis above, we can draw a conclusion about the 2 aspects, positive and negative. I will present them in detail for the next step. Now I will provide the basic concept for global urban design. According to good resources for tourism, good traffic system, and many investments, also the lack of sports facilities, I will define the design center. A new function is recreation firm, including health, club, and retail. according to the main investments, abundant industry area form partial pollution of soils and the lack of cooling space are very sharp. Abundant industrial area as part of those industrial equity. And then I will use a visible line to connect two paths, then extending to natural landscape. I call it the reorganization of tourist road. So this is the basic layout of urban design. This is the urban master plan of the study area. And also I use the conventions methodology to organize the tourist road. The convention indicated we can recognize the city from 5 elements: the paths, edges, districts, nodes, and the landmarks. So following images will show how the tourist road attract people from the railway station. According this road, passing bus station, open space, small park, then arrive at the recreation curve. The people continue to work, then arrive at the post-industrial eco park. Then, according to the mountain level platform, extending to natural landscape. This is the overview for the tourist road organization. The architecture design chapter. I will choose the recursion curve as the example. The basic idea is the architecture morphology from urban context. The first step is extraction of elements from historical reality. The building will enclose the historical reality and the solid brick void. I call the void as an essential space, and I will open four corners of solid to let the void bring people inside and take them outside. We want to create a new social relationship between inside and outside space. Second step, application extract elements to the other side. I call the hole after digging as an essential space. And the first step, I will enclose the design center by solid, and the new border is created by solid. I call it as the essential space. Then I will open up two corners of solid from bottom to top to let the border bring people inside and take them outside. Then I will establish identity of landscape from bottom to top. Finally, I will put the separated solids above the design site. After treating and bending, I will get adapt to the complex terrain, get the final morphology of architecture. This is a master plan of the recursion curve. And the function design. This curve is divided into two volumes, health club and hotel. Also, I use the different color to indicate the different function area distribution. The ground floor of the hotel, I will organize the reception and the lobby near the entrance space. Also, I put the business center, small office, or kitchen rooms inside. And the interlayer between ground floor and the first floor of the hotel, I will put a small coffee bars and a small office inside. The first floor of the hotel, I will organize the restaurant and some parts of guest space inside. And about the ground floor of Health Club, I will organize the changing room and swimming pool together. From the second floor to the top floor, I will put all the guest room space inside according to the private reason. And about the first floor of the Health Club, I will organize the corridor lobby and a reception near the entrance space. Also put the gym space inside. The second floor of the Health Club is the main activity floor. I will organize the spa space such as beauty center and
we have still 10 minutes.
Okay. And the main sports activity rooms inside. And the top floor of the Health Club, I will organize all the office room for the staff. This is the main facade of the about the facade design. I want to create the linear facade for the whole building according to the local Bohemian culture zigzag pattern. And this is two sections of the Health Club, and it shows how to organize the horizontal and vertical traffic system. And the impression of the architecture design, I will show some renderings for the whole project. This shows the bird view of the recursion curve. And this shows the main facade of Health Club. And this shows the main facade of hotel. And this rendering shows the main facade of hotel inside of the curve from low angle. So about architecture design, I want the process something like architecture struggle for survival, and the best solution will be survival in the end. And for the function design, something like I want to use the dynamic space to interpret the harmony and unity between architecture space and function. Also, it shows the relationship between inside and outside landscape. The strategy design chapter. I will choose the hotel volume for design example. And for the whole building, I will use the steel structure system. According to overlays, I will divide two parts and choose the red one. The red one areas guest room space for calculation. According to this basic information, I will find the same dimension between each unit of guest room space. So I will choose the simple transverse frame for calculation. It shows as left finger. After these formulas, I will define the steel profiles section of the beam and column. Then, for the pre-design of the structure, these are basic data of the bed layout, live layout, and the main layout. Then I will put these data into the section 2000 and get the diagram of extra layout, shell layout, bending mode, and then I also need to calculate the snow layout according to Libre building codes. Then get the layout combination. According to this responsibilities, we can define a new combination called a group to add all the 8 combinations so that we can find the maximum and minimum value of each element. Then get the diagram of action layout, shell layout, bending mode, and the layout combination. Now I need to check the steel profile section. The status is okay. And finally, I will check all frame. Use the section 2000. We can conclude that the analysis and design section match all the steel frame and all the steel frame pass the capacity check. The technology chart. According to these general conditions from Libre municipality, I will get the conclusion of the technology design. The best travel season in June, July, August, and the solar angle is totally different between summer and winter. On average, the weather is so nice during the whole year. The aim of the technology design is to take use of natural light, premium heating, natural ventilation, and the water bed system. The daylighting design of the balcony. I will choose the guest room space for design example. The aim of the balcony design is to obtain the natural light without solar radiation in summer. And then I will choose the 1 p.m. The clock, the hottest day in summer as a reference design point. After comparing 3 types of balcony dimension, I will find the type B is the best solution. Then also I use the glass block to divide each unit of balcony space. The function of the glass block is the translucent, not transparent. You can understand it from this imaging. Then for the heating system, I will choose the geothermal system according to the local energy resources in Libre. Also, I choose the hotel volume for the design example. And this is basic data of each element, and then get the U value of each element. Then get the thermal bridge coefficient for the whole building. And also I need to calculate the basement temperature Tx according to these formulas. Then get the Tx equal to 18 degrees. Next step, I will calculate the heating loss at each floor of the whole building according to these formulas, and get the final equations of the total sensible heating loss. This is the value of heating loss at each floor. And then get the final value of heating loss per square meter for the whole building. And then this is the heating loss circulation system. And this is the ventilation and the fresh air system for whole building. And this is the water balance section for the concept section of the water balance to show how to use the gary water, bad water, and how to collect the rainwater. And then I also join some details for show how to construct the whole building. Okay, that's my presentation of my thesis. And thanks my professor during 2 years and told me, and thanks to my friends Also, special thanks to YU and my friends. And finally, thank you for me and my parents. Then I will show a short movie about my project. I think it's
YU Jianghao, Wash Market, poco e now. Finito il mio cinese. E gli ha detto che è molto bello il lavoro che ha fatto. Zoffa! Che lui è YU Jianghao e che il suo market. No, I would like as a controrelatore to have a first speech and then I leave to the Commission to make all my compliments to you to Professor Tati and all the colleagues that have followed you during this path. I remember you once coming here some 2 years ago. And I very much appreciate the maturity and also the fact that Marc Auger is an anthropologist speaking about no places, and this is a real no places around that space. And you here feel the place which is a center with this culture, which is also typical of the Bohemian old culture. So I think this is a really dense lecture of architecture, landscape, all the territory, urban design, etc. So I really would like only to make my compliments. Some other questions?
Okay, compliments also from me for your work. Maybe I didn't capture some details from your presentation, and in particular a detail about the foundation, because at a given point you spoke about soft foundation. So my question is, what do you mean with soft foundation?
This is the structure problem. The soft foundation is the
Did you mean about the soil?
Yeah, the soil inside of the because all the building are with the steel structure system. So I think this is according to the overlap of this volume. So I used this soft foundation, something like a box below the ground.
Okay, so the design of your foundation is optimized in order to accommodate the given settlement, I suppose. Did you evaluate the allowable settlement for your structure?
Yeah, you can check in my thesis because now it's just 20 minutes.
I understand. Okay, so you evaluate the allowable settlement of your foundation with respect to the...
you can see the chart brief in my thesis.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
You're a master, man. Mio idolo.